Hey, you guys, Merry Christmas. Congratulations to the winner, Nancy. Congratulations on winning my Christmas giveaway. Don't worry, you guys, I will be having a Valentine one. So I picked these up at the dollar store. They're little trays for like cookies or snacks for Christmas. And I thought, let's make something out of this. They also have different ones. So every year I'll be using a different one. So the first thing I want to add on there is a little bit of paper, and that's shredded paper from the dollar store. The trays were also from the dollar store. So this is the last minute, you guys. I ran to the dollar store and I'm like, wait a minute, I forgot two people. Now you don't have to use this because look, you can't even see it. So you don't really have to use it. So I'm gonna add just a little bit for fun. I should have grabbed another color so it could have stand out. That would have been nice. But it is what it is. Okay. The first thing I want to add in there, I'm going to add a cocoa mix, a cocoa hot mix. And this is the no added sugar. You guys, I thought this would be great to give to somebody since it's the holidays. You want to go a little healthier. Not always, but sometimes you should choose the healthier versions of the holidays. Like I said, not always, but let's try. You know, you gain a lot of weight in the holidays. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add as well one of my goodie bags. You guys, these goodie bags are on my Amazon Fun Store as well as the bowls. So if you really are liking these, go ahead and check out my Amazon Fun Store. Order them from there. The link is right there. All you have to do is press and order. And I made it as easy as I could. I linked everything down below so you guys have it all. How cute is that? Like right there, that is a cute, simple gift. You can give anybody, a teacher, a co-worker, a friend. And then what I did to fit in I made these in the little bags and the little goodie bags, which I also have on my Amazon storefront. So all I did is put marshmallows on there, mini marshmallows. I thought that would be so cute to put in there. I didn't want to overdo it. Just a little bit of items because, you know, I'm also doing one of my, look how that glitters, ornaments. So I'm going to put the ornament here. And then for my husband, because I'm giving one to my hubby. For my hubby, I'm going to add a Shell gift card because you guys, if you don't know what to get your husband and they drive, give him a gift card to put gas. Gas is so expensive right now. Like, it is expensive. And a gift card would just cut out that, you know, he would be able to pull out his gift card and then he has some gas in there. And I think that's really sweet. So I'm going to put this, you know what, I'm going to put this in the bottom. I don't want him to see it until it's the last thing. So that's perfect. So he won't even know it's in there. Okay, since you guys love all my gift card holders, gift card envelopes, look at how pretty this is. Look at how the gold. You guys see that gold? I made this myself. You guys have been asking me for a video. You guys, it's so hard to make a video for everything. Sometimes I just have a couple of hours off from work before I pick up the kids, before I have to feed them, do homework, take care of myself, and get ready for work again. So I craft when I can, and I'm a fast crafter. I don't have time to film and take on my whole set, my lights, my videos. It's sometimes I just craft, but I decided why not make a couple of these and a couple of my money holders that you guys have been asking me for. Let me go get one, if you don't mind. And a couple of my money holders that I will be making for Valentine's. That way you can have a money holder for Valentine's. I mean, yeah. And you can just go ahead and have the stencil with it. I do sell the stencil for $4. So email me. Once you pay me, I will email you the stencil and you guys can make your own in your home. That way you don't have to be asking me. But I will make some of these for Valentine's. So you can put the money in there for your hubby. Or for whoever you're giving to Valentine's. And I'll make a couple of them and put them in the giveaway. How about that? That way it's a win-win. You guys win and I win. And whoever wins the stencil for free wins it. I mean, not the stencil, the template. I'm sorry. I don't have a stencil. I wish I did. But I do have a template for it, which is easier. So I can just email it to you if that's what you guys want. So I'm going to go ahead and put some money in the envelopes. And let's see if it fits. Now, if your money doesn't fit, make sure you guys glue and tape the envelope. That way it kind of holds. But it should be able to fit. You see this one? And kind of put a lot of more. I wanted to do a little like gift in case they want to go by themselves, buy something. But it does fit. It ends up fitting really nicely. And I think this is a great touch for Christmas. But where do we put it? Do we put it underneath? Right? Underneath it? I mean, I could put it on the side. I think that'll be cuter. Like on the top of it. That way you can actually see it. What do you guys think? You guys are welcome to tell me what you guys think. As long as it's positive. I don't want any negative bullying or comments will be deleted. You guys will be blocked from my channel. And life goes on. Oh my God. I think this is so cute. What a great little gift idea to give somebody. I wish I would have made a couple more to give. But the idea is really nice. Okay, so I don't know how I was going to close it. I kind of am not sure. I think I want to double stick this and then, double stick it. And then I have a whole bag, and this is a clear bag. You guys, I wasn't able to go to the dollar store and get like the cellophane. But I can do a bag. Look how nice it's going to look because it's going to be clear. I mean, I wouldn't want to rip a whole bag. But, actually, this is going to be perfect. Look at how I'm going to cut it. Wow, that matched up really nice. So what I'm going to do is not cut the end, but start from the beginning. And these bags are on my Amazon storefront. So if you want to go pick them up, feel free. That way I still have half a bag to use in a basket. And then this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it open. So it's a win-win, you guys. So these bags are up there. And if you don't know which one it is, let me know so I could write down. Sometimes I forget, I'm not perfect. But let me know and I'll write down the measurements for you. Because a lot of you guys run by measurements and I just run by life. I wing everything. I don't measure nothing. Always been like that. But I get it. So then all I did was open this one and look at, make it 2. Oh my God, this came out really perfect. Okay, so we can do 2 things. We can hot glue it. We can double stick it. So how about if we double stick this one and then see how that goes? And I'm just going to show you regular double stick tape. Go on my Amazon storefront if you guys want it. Everything I have is on there because it's easier. You guys are always asking me like, oh, where did you get this? Where did you get that? So it's just easier for me to have made a storefront and just give you access to everything you need. So all we're going to do is I'm going to grab the double stick tape. I'm going to go around it. I'm going to push it in. And I'm going to do the whole frame. So I'll come back when that's ready and we're ready to take it off. Okay, so I put double stick tape all over it. Now it's time to take it off. And with double stick tape, all you have to do is peel it back. And then you get a little layer that comes off. Okay. We're just testing this out. I don't know if it's going to work. I also put one right there. Let's keep going because I want to finish this with you guys. A little project. Now you can also use your hot glue gun, which I am okay with. Just grab it and bring it out and hot glue the whole thing. But I wanted to see if this is a nicer option. Since I have the double stick tape, I'm like, well, why not? Okay, let's grab our sheet we cut and we're just gonna lay it on top. And let's see how this works out. Okay. So I'm gonna go around the whole thing. Actually, this is pretty good. I like the way it actually is holding. It's grabbing and it's like sealing it. Okay. Yeah, it actually looks really good, you guys. I love it. I love the way it looks. Look at it. You saw how cool that is? Now, press it again as many times as you need to. And then look at how airtight that is. Like, once you put it on here, it's just gonna suck it in. How cool is that? Now, we can do two other things. You can leave it like that and cut it around. Or I'm grabbing some ribbon. We can also add ribbon to it. Or we can add a ribbon to it. Look how pretty this is. This is a ribbon that somebody gave me on a gift. So I took it off to reuse it. But then I have this one on my Amazon storefront, which is my favorite. And this is like that thin, nice red. So what do you guys want to do? What do you think we should do? I am going to actually, I don't know what to do if I grab it. I can grab it like this with a ribbon. I think that'll look cute, like a gift. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it look like a gift. So I am going to cut and trim the sides. So all I'm going to do is take it in. I don't want to cut my bowl, but I'm going to trim the sides as nicely as I can. So go ahead and do that and then we'll come back. Okay, so all I did was cut the sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how much ribbon I need here. I'm gonna cut this in half and see if this works out. So I think I'm just gonna punch it up like this. Oh my God, this is gonna be so cute. It's like a little gift. Now, I wish I would have left the ribbon just a little bigger. So since I don't like the way it looks, I am gonna take it off. And I am going to use the red one. Too bad I already cut that, but it's okay. And I'm gonna make it a little longer if I can. But how long is too long? So just measure it, you guys. And make sure you guys have a good pair of ribbon cutters. These were my cutters for my ribbon, but my husband grabs them and uses them for whatever. For anything. They use my tools for anything and then they don't work. And I have a million pairs of scissors, but for some reason they go to my craft room and that's the scissors that they want to use. even my kids. And then when I need a good pair, I can't even cut any ribbon. I can't do anything. But let's go ahead and make this work. See, that looks great. You know what? I should have went even longer. Well, yeah, let me go a little longer. Let me measure real quick. Okay, you guys, so what I did was I grabbed this one that was too short and I did double the length. And what do you guys think? How pretty is that? What a great little treat basket. It has hot cocoa. It has an ornament. It has M&Ms. It has money. And it has marshmallows. What do you guys think? And it's nicely sealed and shut, even though it looks clear. It is not. And it is ready to be given as a little gift. You can take those to the coworkers, your husband, anybody you really want to would love one of these. We wrapped it up like a little gift. It's a win-win. I'm going to go ahead and make the other one. And then I'll come back and say bye to you guys. Okay, so I already cut that one. Double stick tape it. And I'm going to end it with you guys since I want to show you guys exactly what I did. Because it'll be like, oh my God, you didn't show us. So I want to show you guys. So like I said, I measured it twice. I'm just going to remove a little bit from it. And I'm going to do the same thing for the next one. Because I figured it's really pretty if it has a bow. Okay. So what we're going to do is grab it in half. Can you guys see? Okay. We're going to bring it down. We're going to twist it. Bring it up. We're going to do a knot. We're going to make a bow. And look how pretty that is. We're going to turn it around. It's like wrapping a gift, basically. If you guys don't know how to wrap a gift, I do have videos on that. Go check that out as well. I have videos on making bows. I have videos on making baskets. I have videos on making decals, making candy bags, making anything I basically talk about. I try to make a video for you guys because I know you guys are going to ask me. And then just fluff it up. If you need to cut it, grab your scissors and cut it. I think they are super adorable and ready to be giving out. Nothing's going to fall out, trust me. So go ahead and make your own. Let me know, you guys, how it comes out. Merry Christmas. You guys are the best. And I'll see you again in my next video. But let me know if you guys plan to make one. And if you do, how would you make yours? Look how cool this is. And let me tell you, it's prettier in person. So until next time, bye you guys.